Hey guys, it's George. I'm going to go over how to enter a transaction for an opening balance adjustment in George's budget for Excel, but this also applies to George's Excel checkbook register if you're using that program. So the first thing you want to do is add your account. And let's say that this is a checking account, and that would be an asset. Click OK. And then you're going to go to the register. And then you're going to enter that opening balance adjustment transaction. So enter your date. And under description, I'm just going to put here opening balance adjustment. And for category, you're going to scroll down to the bottom under income categories and expense categories. In the other categories group, you're going to choose not categorize. If you're using one of the older programs, you would just type it in directly. And then you're going to enter the amount of that opening balance adjustment. And the reason why we choose not categorize is because we do not want this to impact our income and expense reports, because all the transactions that make up that $3,000 have already been accounted for in a different budget software program, or maybe even your paper checkbook register. So instead of re-entering all of those transactions again and categorize them here, or instead of importing them into this program, you're basically just summing all of those transactions from that prior program as an adjustment into this program. And you're taking that ending balance from that register in your other program, and it becomes your beginning balance in this program. So that's a basic overview of how to enter a transaction for the opening balance adjustment in George's budget for Excel. And if you're interested in the software, there's a link below that will take you to the product page. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.